Well, back testing paid off last night, I guess. Yeah. All right, we're gonna do another trade recap. I know it's been a little bit. It's been like a week or something like that because I've been a little bit busy. But we hit a dub today. It was a solid trade. Again, I de-risked a little bit because we had CPI at 8:30 a.m. and I usually don't like trading CPI, but we saw my setup. I de-risked about half, and we ended up making around $276 per account on these 5 accounts for this challenge. Again, I know it's not a lot, but we're slowly building our way up on these accounts. You don't have to rush the process. I'm not in a rush. It is what it is. We're going to build this up, get in a comfortable situation, and start taking a lot of money out of these accounts. But let's go over the trade we saw today. So what we saw today is, we'll X these out real quick. All right, we'll X these out. Here's the trade that we took. Well, I already X'd it out. But go out of here. We'll go out of here. This didn't matter. This didn't matter. And this didn't matter anymore. Okay, so what I saw on the charts is market open. ES didn't break structure to the downside, but NASDAQ did on market open. But then we ended up breaking structure back to the upside on market open. So I was bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the 1-hour. I saw that we broke structure back to the upside on NASDAQ, so I decided I think we're going to continue bullish structure to the upside. And what I saw is I waited patiently. I didn't see us retrace back into this 5-minute imbalance. That's what I usually like to see with equilibrium, but we ended up not doing that. So we formed a 5-minute imbalance on ES, which we had right here. I'll mark it out for you. A 5-minute bullish fair value gap, imbalance, whatever you want to call it. And I marked out equilibrium. At first, I wanted to see price retrace back into this and show buying pressure out of it, but we didn't get that. So I saw that we continued going up, and we got a retracement on the 5-minute. So I scaled down to the 1-minute time frame when we got our retracement. And as we could see right here, right when our macro time frame closes, we created a 1-minute bullish fair value gap right here. And then we created another 1-minute bullish fair value gap right here. I also marked out equilibrium, which we did not hit, as we could see. And usually I like for price to come down into the second imbalance if we disrespect the first one, but we didn't end up doing that, so equilibrium doesn't matter here. As you can see, we got buying pressure out of the first fair value gap. So we are bullish on the 4-hour, bullish on the 1-hour, bullish on the 5-minute, and we're continuing bullish structure to the upside. We also had these 4-hour/1-hour highs up here, and these 1-hour highs up here also. So I saw we had buying pressure out of the first fair value gap. I decided to enter off of this fair value gap, putting my stops below this low at first, and then I wanted to target this for my first take profit, and then this was my second take profit. But we had data highs. For some reason on my broker, it was showing that it was around the 5895 level, so I took my first take profit here. My first take profit, I had one take profit here, and then I had my second take profit just a little bit above it, just to take another one off right around here. And then third take profit was here. This is my full take profit, I will be honest, so 1 to 2.45. And then we could have left a runner all the way up to this 1-hour high, but I did not want to do that today because I was on a losing streak last week. We hit our main take profit. That's good enough for me. I wasn't going to be greedy, so we took it out of there. And yeah, the full trade would have been a 1 to 2.9. Good trade. But other than that, it's pretty simple. As you can see, it was a little textbook trade. I didn't go too heavy on it because, again, I was on a losing streak last week. I just wanted to get back into things. And number 2, we had CPI at 8:30 a.m. Eastern time. I wanted to see how the market was going to react. But, again, we just continued bullish structure. Setup occurred, ended up taking the trade, de-risked a little bit, and ended up playing in our favor. So other than that, that's pretty much it. It's a pretty simple trade. I just wanted to get this YouTube video posted for you guys and girls. Hopefully this shows you or gives you information on how to trade a little bit, just my experience of trading. Again, my Discord is free. If you guys want to join it, come on and join it. I took this live for the people in my Discord, and I also post the truth in my Discord also. I show the real reality of trading, my wins, my losses, and me trying to build these funded accounts to where I can get payouts, and I'm going to do that live for you doing this 100-day challenge if you go to my TikTok and look at that. So other than that, we hit a good solid trade today. It is what it is, and we'll continue on with the week. Appreciate it.